What's up everyone, my name is Nicolette and today I am going to explain how to measure circular barbells and also seamless or captive bead rings. So a circular barbell is going to look like this. It kind of looks like a horseshoe where it has two balls on each end and it is a circular barbell. A captive bead ring is pretty much a full circle, but it has this little bead in here. And that bead is held in just with tension, which is really cool about these ones. And a seamless ring, which looks just like this, where it looks like you can't tell where the beginning or the end of the ring is. So to measure any type of circular piece of jewelry, you always want to measure the inside of the jewelry. So not including the jewelry, but like the inside space between the jewelry. So I'm going to show you with every UBG purchase, you get one of these amazing measuring cards and they're great and you should have one. So to measure these, I'm going to show you with the captive bead ring first. So I'm just going to place it here and position it so that the inside of this circle is lined up with the 0. And then you can look up all the way on the measuring card and you can see the inside of this circle is also measuring with the 3/8. So this captive bead ring is 3/8 of an inch. Really awesome about these cards is on the back, we actually have these circle measurements as well. So you can actually take that 3/8 and how to confirm this, that 3/8 captive bead ring, and just position it on the card. And you can see that the yellow circle is entirely on the inside of the captive bead ring. If you're measuring it and the yellow is on the outside, that's not the right size. So you want to make sure that yellow circle is just all the way on the inside of the circle. So measuring a circular barbell is the same thing. You can measure it on the actual ruler part here and line it up so the inside of that circle is at 0 and goes all the way up to 3/8. So this circular barbell is also 3/8 inch. And to double check it, we can flip it over and just use the back here and position it, and you can see that the yellow circle is entirely inside of the circular barbell. And then last but not least is the seamless, and this one is the same way. You're going to line it up so that the 0 measures on the inside of that circle and comes all the way up, and it's a little hard to see on the card right here, but it's actually a 5/16. So this seamless ring is measuring 5/16 of an inch. And just to double check, we'll flip it over, put it on 5/16, position it, and all of that yellow circle is on the inside of the ring. So that's measuring circular pieces of jewelry. If you have any questions or you're struggling to measure something, let us know in the comments. We can help you out as best we can. But like I said, if you order something from UBJ, you get this super nifty measuring card, which is great to have around. So thanks so much for watching.